So we read a bunch of books nowadays as humans. We want to find out how to be someone else. What we don't do is we don't go inside, so literally turn yourself inside out. Read the book that says that, like we're writing a book every day of our lives, but we never read a book. My wood avenue I choose. I want to be their very best, and the very best may not be I'm number one. The very best is, did I leave everything inside of me out? They're the best is I'm running against themselves and everything I do. That's what I attack. I attack myself. You just as special as everybody else. You're just as powerful as everybody else. You just as unique as everybody else. You just as gifted as everybody else, and you belong in first class, just like everybody else. What are you gonna do about your purpose? What are you gonna do about you? Are you just gonna sit around, just wait and hope that tomorrow is gonna be a good day? The thing about hope, sometimes hope runs out. Don't depend on hope so much, depend on action. Do something and keep it moving. I need you to confront you because you are holding you up. I need you to confront you. I need you to look in the mirror to tell you you are not gonna do me like this no more. You're not gonna continue to sabotage. You're not gonna keep procrastinating. Music. There's so many times in life you don't want to be doing what you're doing. You can't just quit. You remember this. It's in the hobby, it's in the job, is a lifestyle. So what you saying yourself? Support business because we go trainer to keep your doors. Only you, the only way you're ever going to get to the other side of this journey is you have got to suffer to grow. To grow you must suffer. And some people get it, some alone, but they have to see what their journey is to start their journey. This is one thing. I get so frustrated with humans. I get frustrated with humans when somebody's late and they upset. I get frustrated with humans when somebody borrows money for you and you don't pay it back. They don't pay it back and you upset. I get upset with humans when you go out to eat. They'll bring your food out the way you want a food out and you are so upset and you let them have it. But then you disappoint you and you don't let you add. Most of this generation quiz just a second they get talked to you. You did this wrong, you do this wrong, or they get yelled at. It's the Lisa's it yummy to be great nowadays because everybody else is most people are a weak. This is a strong generation. So if you have any mental toughness anywhere, any ability, give any fraction of self-discipline the ability to not want to do it but still do it. I'm training my mind and my body, my spirit, so it's all one, so I can handle with life is gonna throw at me because the life I've lived, it throws the whole brush at you. And if you're not physically immensely prepared for that, you're just gonna crumble. Ask yourself every day, who mine? What if I learned? What have I created? What forward progress have I made? Who have I helped? What am I doing to improve myself today to get better and faster, stronger, healthier, smarter? Ask yourself, is this what I want to be? Is this all I've got? Is this everything right? Is this my life? And do I accept? You gotta realize that all of you just gotta take that first step. Music. Success does not come easy. Success is not little weight to you. Even when you get to a point where you feel that you've made it, you haven't made enough. That means there's more work to be done. Each and every day of your life, keep working to be something greater, to be something unique, to show up and show the world that you have much more to show of yourselves and to show to other people. In the world, there are a lot of people out here you don't want to work. There are a lot of people like it you don't want to achieve things. There are a lot of people out here that will make every excuse in the book to try to blame their excuses on someone else. Don't be that person. Don't be the person that's holding yourself back. Be the person that's lifting yourself up even when others don't believe in you. Make sure you're believing in yourself. Believe in your purpose. Believe in your possibilities. Believe in everything that exists within you, and don't let anyone take that away from you. 44 degrees and it's nice and rainy outside, but no one cares about that. It's not about the rain, is where the rain represents Life is always giving you a test, trying to give you your way out, trying to give you excuse not to show up. This is my excuse today, but guess what? You gotta have the mentality to show up every day of your life. You know what life throws at you. It's our responsibility to salt you calcium of life forever in battle. I'll kill what you're going through. What life's thrown at you, see responsibly defines your new Russia %. Take it upon yourself to do that. Stay hard. We love to say we don't have time. The body is truly amazing, can handle almost anything you throw back. It's the mind that is wacky. The mind has always say is trying to find that easy way out. Music. We are all great no matter this. If you think you're dumb and think you're fat, then after our fat them have you been bullied, or no matter if you just got back from Iraq or Afghanistan and you have no legs or your arms or whatever, man, we all have greatness. It just you got to find the courage. You got to find the courage to put your Bose headphones on and silence the noise out of this world. And you find it, and the funding comes out there, but it's to take hard work, courage, self-discipline. Several people live to be 100 years old. They have great lives and they have great kids. The kids go to college and all sort of stuff, but somewhere in their life there was a point where they had a decision to make. They can go left or right on this path. Left was the easy route, right was a hard route. A lot of people take the easy route and they had a good life that way. But the better life was going to the right side, and you may have 20 years of pain and suffering to get past it. So a lot of us died never truly starting our journey, and I will tell this young person, you got to start your journey. It may suck, but it will come out the other side where you're coasting. I want you to understand something. We want to talk a little bit about life and how important your life really is and what it really means. Don't give up on them. Don't give up on your life. Don't let things put you in a position to where you want to just give up and let go. The best thing you can do is let go of the things that are making you feel that it's over you, my friend. It's never over. You have to understand that all of us go through so many things in our lives. Every day is in the day. Every day is a great day. You have to say that even when you're going through the struggles, you have to say that every day is a good day. Don't give up on living. Stay strong out there. We're living in some troubled times. A lot of people are here. A lot of people don't know what direction they're gonna go, but you have to understand negativity, doubt, fear, hopelessness, all of these things are what they're in a position to make you feel that you are not worthy of the life that you have been given. You are more than worthy, and only you can make it happen. So continue to live strong, continue to believe, continue to have the faith, and understand that there are always possibilities. You just got to believe it and make them possible.